Hi, in this video, I'm going to show you how you can manage privacy in Microsoft Teams. Microsoft Teams allows you to manage privacy settings as well as permission setting. To do this, go to your Microsoft Teams account and then you should see these three lines here. Tap on them and here you can see we have this settings option. Now, once you are here, go to privacy. You can see privacy option is here. We also have notifications and activity. You can also manage your notifications straight from here. So there are quite a number of controls you can take on either sound, display, size, and chats. For privacy, if you click on this, you can control how you want your meeting to be. For instance, you can manage how people can find you. You can manage who can add you to groups, who can call you, or you can as well turn camera and mic off and on when screen is locked, among so many other options. You can also make changes to your profile as well as make changes to optional connected experiences here. So that's how you can manage your privacy in Microsoft Teams. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.